Good morning student and welcome to Heat Transfer Lab. Today we are going to present experiment number 5. Our objective is to determine the heat transfer coefficient and thermal efficiency of pin fin in forced convection. The apparatus required in this experiment: heat transfer in pin fin apparatus. This experiment is designed for specially in forced convection heat transfer. This is the blower, the air which is passing from this pipeline and enter into this duct and transfer the heat from this pin fin. It embedded 5 thermocouple to measure the temperature of the surface of the fin. The formula used in this experiment: first is Prandtl number is equal to mu Cp upon K, Reynolds number is equal to rho VDE. This is the equivalent diameter of the duct upon mu. This is the Nusselt empirical correlation, that is equal to 0.023, Reynolds number power 0.8 and Prandtl 0.4. And Nusselt number can be expressed by the another formula, that is HDE upon K. And rearranging this formula, our objective is to calculate heat transfer coefficient, that is equal to Nusselt number into thermal conductivity upon equivalent diameter. The last formula is thermal efficiency of fin is equal to hyperbolic tan into M into L upon ML. And now we will move to the experiment setup to perform the experiment. Thank you.
Good morning student. Welcome to experimental setup of pin fin in natural convection. First of all, I am going to describe the whole apparatus, then specification, then control panel. Okay. First of all, a brass fin, a circular cross section in fitted across the long perpendicular duct. The other end, the duct is connected to the suction side of the blower, and the air flow past the fin perpendicular to the axis. One end of the fin projected outside the duct and is heated by the heater. The temperature at 5 points along the length of the fin. The air flow rate is measured and orifice meter fitted on the delivery side of the blower. Okay. Now the specification of this setup is: the duct size is 140 into 100 mm. The diameter of the brass tube, this brass tube is 19.5 mm. The diameter and thickness of the brass flange, which is base on the fin, 75 into 10 mm, and length of the brass tube is 100 mm. The number of thermocouple are 5. This is the control panel. This is the main switch. This is the switch of electric heater. This is the voltage, ampere to calculate the rate of heat transfer. This is the temperature indicator to measure the temperature of the fin, like this is the T1 temperature, T2, this is T1 is 154, it near about T2, T3, T4 and T5, right? This is the varic to increase or decrease the heat input to the system. This is the blower switch on or off. When we need the forced convection, then it's switch on, right? Now we need a natural convection, that's why it is a switch off. I will notice or hold the reading and calculate on next video. Thank you so much.
Good morning student and welcome to this part of experiment. That part is observation and calculation. During the experimentation, we have noted on various parameters from the experiment, like voltage, ampere, heat transfer rate and temperatures. These are the value which we have used during the calculation time. So average temperature of the pin fin is equal to the sum up of 5 temperature divided by 5 is equal to 48. Ambient temperature of air 19 degrees Celsius. Thermal conductivity of the fin, that is 110 watt per meter degree Celsius. These are the parameter, that is the standard condition of the air at 33.5 degrees Celsius. The first is specific heat at a constant pressure, density, thermal conductivity of air, dynamic viscosity, thermal coefficient of volume expansion, gravitational force, equivalent diameter and velocity. This is the M, that equivalent is equal to HP upon area, cross section area, that is equal to 5.22. These are the formula which we have used in this experiment, and these are the property, these are the number of property put into these formulas, and we will calculate Prandtl number, that is dynamic viscosity, specific heat, thermal conductivity of air, that is equal to 0.7. And Reynolds number is equal to rho density, V velocity, equivalent diameter upon dynamic viscosity, that is 7780. It means that the flow is turbulent. The Nusselt number, the empirical correlation of Nusselt number is equal to this, and Reynolds number, put this value into here and this value into here, and you can find out Nusselt number. And Nusselt number can be defined by this formula also. That is our objective. Heat transfer coefficient is equal to Nusselt number multiplied by thermal conductivity upon equivalent diameter, that is equal to 22.5 watt per meter square degree Celsius. This is our objective in this experiment. The first objective is this, and last one objective is the thermal efficiency of the fin. This formula which we have already derived in the classroom study. This is the hyperbolic tan M into L. L is the length of the pin upon M into L, that equivalent to 0.189. This is the efficiency of the fin during the forced convection. These are the two basic calculation which we have done in this experiment, and rest of the things you can write in the notebook like result and conclusion. Thank you so much.